Welcome to Linkingo's channel. Today, we are going to reveal the truth behind the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, from the most objective viewpoint. Firstly, what is Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic? This is a comprehensive weight loss program coming in with different forms such as guide ebooks, audios, and videos. It is originated from the old principles about food and traditional dietary habits of the people in Okinawa, Japan, where the residents are believed to have an amazingly long life expectancy. However, since the westernization, those precious principles have gradually faded away. Having noticed the situation, the creator of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic has made an effort bringing those traditional weight loss recipes back to life. Specifically, there is a mixture of certain herbs and food products capable of activating the fat-burning hormones in our body when we drink it. The fat-burning hormones, then, will convert all the food you eat into energy instead of storing it as fat cells, thus, prevents your body from gaining weight. Who is the creator of this program? The author of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is Mike Banner. Although the product has a great reputation, the author of it seems to be quite reticent. Linkingo can just find very little information about him, including some of his pictures at a low resolution. Apart from that, we can find nothing about his activities on social networking sites. The only thing that allows us to see his face clearly is probably the video on the Flat Belly Tonic website. Mike talks about the properties and benefits of the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic program on that site. However, we know that in the process of working out the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic program, the creator had consulted with Dr. Tamaki, an Okinawa doctor. How does it work? Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic believes that the root cause of fat is CRP, C-reactive protein. CRP is an inflammatory protein that can lead to many severe health problems such as heart disease, cancer, diabetes type 2, debilitating arthritis, Alzheimer's, and obesity also. According to Dr. Tamaki's explanation, CRP prevents our bodies from converting the food we consume into energy. Instead, it turns on the survival mode of our body, signals the metabolism to store fat cells, then shuts down the fat-burning hormones called adiponectin concurrently. Noticing the problem, Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic aims at eliminating the C-reactive protein and enhancing the fat-burning hormone adiponectin in our body. Therefore, it makes the weight loss process less challenging. What benefits Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic can bring to us? 1. Speedy belly fat burning. A lot of delicious recipes will stop your cravings for unhealthy foods. And still help to burn your fat tummy from day to night. 2. A daily energy boost. Instead of going on a strict diet to keep you from eating, now you can freely enjoy tasty, sweet beverages while your weight keeps going down. 3. Better sleep. With all natural ingredients, those drink formulas will improve your sleep quality so much. 4. Arthritic pain reduction. A decrease in CRP level means no more swollen joints and more time for outdoor activities with your beloved people. 5. An unique detoxicant. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic serves as a detoxicant that will get rid of toxins from your vital organs with its ingredients. What is included in this program? The protagonist of this program is the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic Manual. With only 47 pages, which is quite short for a weight loss manual, this book surprisingly covers a lot of useful information. In 21-Day Flat Belly Blueprint, you will have an instruction at the first section of the book about what kinds of food you should avoid, the delicious dishes you can eat but still keep you in good shape, along with the unique tricks and tips drawn from the experience of the author. But then the big question is, how can you maintain your shape after weight loss? The second part of the manual, Weight Loss Management and Maintenance, arrives to answer all of your question about the relationship between weight loss and stress, hormones, fasting, nutrients and sleep, and of course, the ways to make your beautiful belly stay. Preserving a nice waist would never be easier. Check out the link in the description to get a copy of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic right now. Who should use the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic? People that want to lose weight and minimize big waists. Those suffering from inflammatory diseases such as arthritic pain, insomnia, hypertension, high level of cholesterol, but still want to have a pretty those fed up with strict diets and often feel difficult to resist the cravings for food while dieting. However, we would not recommend this plan to children under 16 years old as it is designed for adults. Pregnant women. If you still want to try this out, please ask for your physician's or doctor's permission before taking the regime. About the price and purchasing policy. This entire solution is available to you right now for just $37. Linkingo think it is reasonable for what you receive from the program. Besides the 21-day flat belly blueprint, when purchasing the main product, you will also get 1. A quick start accelerator plan. 5 combined body movements will help you burn fat even faster and tone your arms. You'll find an extremely detailed guide about food in the weight loss process from vegetables to drinks. Also, you will have the menu, the proportions, an action plan for 4 weeks, and the 1-month diet. 2. The energy boosting smoothies. Here are smoothies recipes that would save you from cravings for sweet treats all day long, and rid you from toxins. Also, it includes a tailor-made shopping list for you. 3. A lifetime membership for online community. A place online where you'll get powerful and breakthrough health tips from qualified nutritionists of the Flat Belly Tonic Project. 4. The Fat Melting Shortcuts. This is a video program. It shows the key methods and shortcuts to blow your belly fat away with easy steps. 5. The audio program. This is a motivation audio for you in the process of applying the method. With these bonuses, all you need to do is to sit back and listen to the empowering words to take control of your body and your weight. Furthermore, you are guaranteed with a money-back policy from the producer. Don't worry if the book is not cut out for you. You will have a 60-day trial before making your decision. In conclusion, the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is a comprehensive, 4-week slimming regime that gives you the information about what you need to shed the stubborn fat clinging on your body. It turns your diet into a healthier one to achieve optimal health. If you are still hesitating, don't be afraid to take it because they have the money-back policy. You have 2 months to experience the product before deciding to be with it or not. Click the link in the description and achieve a slim waist right now. Subscribe to Linkingo or check out linkingo.com for more useful advice from our experts.